Welcome back my another video. Hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we will be discussing how to make a digital watch using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you find the content helpful, let's get started. First, we create three files. First, index.html, second, style.css, then script.js. Then we write our first code in index.html. Then we give title digital clocks and add the script src and script.js file. Then we write class name clock and then we give ID digital clocks. This clocks holds the clock display initial showing time. Then we write a CSS body. We use flexbox to center the clock in the middle of the page, and we give height. Then we use background color dark, and the has a glowing green text color. Then we give font family. Uh, you, you want to change your font family, otherwise height you can change. Then we give a clock CSS. First, clock CSS itself has a black background, padding around the numbers, rounded corners, and a glow effect around the text. Then we give box shadow. Then we write JavaScript. First, we create a function update clock. This function showing current time using a new date. Then we create a variables such as hours. Then get hours. Then minutes. We create three variables: hours, minutes, seconds. And this function shows it extracts hour, minutes, and second, converting the hours to 12-hour format and adding the AM PM label. We use template for hour, minutes, and second. Then we set interval function after the clock every second, making sure it shows the like current time. When you open the page, the clock will be centered and show the current time. It updates every second to show the exact time in a 12-hour formatting. Let's see output. You can see